Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Use screwdriver to fit holders to the machine. Connect the Cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the I RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the S1 laser applicator to the machine. Connect the S2 laser applicator to the machine. Connect the laser applicator to the machine. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Make sure all are connected properly and then press power switch to start the machine. What follows is the function selection interface. Press function button to switch among the 5 functions. The default function is the Cavi function after the machine is started. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes on each area is recommended. RF energy range is 0 to 9. 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Apply gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Mode 1, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Mode 2, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Press function button and choose body RF function. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Please note, in order to avoid skin burns, make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. The handpiece should not stay on the same area for over 3 seconds. Press function button and choose phase RF function. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Press function button and choose I RF function. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Press function button and choose Lipo laser function. Set parameters. 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Wrap the strap with proper length around the target area. Fix the bigger laser applicators into the strap. Mode selection. Mode 1. The laser is constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. Mode 2. The laser flashes with low frequency, suitable for those who want to shape body. Mode 3. The laser flashes with high frequency, suitable for those who want to consolidate the treatment results. Please note, time can be prolonged if you only use the Lipo laser function. If you use it in conjunction with massage techniques or other handpiece operation, time should be set within reasonable range. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.